Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapte, and so good to have you here. And today I'll talk about 5 ways you can target your dark spots. So these are the basic things that you should know because many people they have dark spots, they don't know how to treat them. So yeah, these are the 5 basic things that can help you out to do that. So now let's start. So first thing would be to use the appropriate actives that can work for your dark spots. Actives like niacinamide, then kojic acid, arbutin, vitamin C, this can work really well on dark spots. You can find these actives in serums, moisturizers, cleansers. You can choose whichever suits or you think your skin is gonna be the most comfortable with. And for this video I have Dermaco's 2% kojic acid face serum. This also contains 1% arbutin. So kojic acid with arbutin can work really well together targeting dark spots, and it has this very light consistency. It doesn't feel sticky or greasy. You can use this every day till your dark spots are completely faded. So along with kojic acid and alpha-arbutin, it also contains niacinamide, which is very good at fading dark spots, evening out the skin tone. It also contains turmeric root extract. It has sodium PCA to soothe the skin. Along with that, it has urushiol extract, glycerin, then it has panthenol. I recommend you to use this at night, so this can work on your skin overnight and give you best results. And 3 to 4 drops would do to cover entire face, and I even apply this on my neck. Apply this on your clean face and massage gently until the serum gets absorbed. It feels really lightweight, yet it is hydrating. It contains hyaluronic acid, and this is a fragrance-free formulation. And it contains ingredients like kojic, niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, which are known to treat dark spots, pigmentation, dull skin, and it has this beautiful and effective blend of these ingredients. So this was about your face. What about you have dark spots on your body, or if you have uneven skin tone? So for that I have this 1% kojic acid Daily Glow body serum lotion from Dermaco. So this 1% kojic acid lotion, it helps to fight dark spots and pigmentation of the body. It contains ingredients like macadamia oil, shea butter that makes skin nourished and moisturized, and it is a great thing for winter as well because it protects my skin from drying. And I apply this lotion after a bath, and I massage this gently to my skin until it is completely absorbed, and I really like this one. It feels great on my skin. It also contains hydrating ingredients like glycerin, aloe vera juice, and this is one fragrance-free formulation. It can be used every day. It doesn't feel sticky, and yeah, it is gonna give you clear, glowing and radiant skin. But yeah, always do a patch test before you start using these products, and finish your skincare routine with a sunscreen. And all new products from Dermaco are now fragrance free. If you use my coupon code Shamapti 2022, you're gonna get 20% off on Dermaco products on their official website, and their products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and these things are really awesome. These are affordable, these have good formulation, these are fragrance free as well. So I think these are gonna help you a lot if you have dark spots, uneven skin tone, dull skin. And the next thing that you should do that can help you out is to use the chemical exfoliant. So chemical exfoliants can help to increase cell turnover rate, which can help to diminish dark spots. Also it can work on textures, and if you have whiteheads, blackheads, so if you use AHA, that would help you with stubborn textures, dark spots, whiteheads. And if you use BHA like salicylic acid, it's gonna help you with like reducing breakouts. And see, it's very easy to use this too much chemical exfoliants. Do not do that. Balance it out, because if you over exfoliate your skin's gonna get irritated, and irritated skin can lead to more inflammation, and that would lead to more dark spots. So here you go, you have to start from the beginning. So balance it out. Choose which form you find to be more convenient. Like you want your AHA or BHA in your cleanser, or your serum, or your like moisturizer. how frequently you need to use it. Frankly, I use AHA twice in a week and BHA once and sometimes twice in a week, and sometimes I do weekly facials with chemical pills that come in this wash up formulation. So yeah, these things can really help you out. And the third thing would be to use a sunscreen. So if you're using chemical exfoliants, your skin can get extra sensitive to sun, so you have to use sunscreen. And even like no matter if you're using chemical exfoliants or not, you should use sunscreen, because if you like don't protect your skin from harmful UV rays that can lead to sunspots, your dark spots can get deeper. So it is very important for you to use sunscreen. Choose any formulation that works for you. Now there are like serum sunscreens, there are gel sunscreens, now there are even this invisible sunscreens, moisturizing sunscreen, tinted sunscreen. Many options are there. I have made bunch of videos on sunscreen. You may find those to be helpful. So yeah, sunscreen is very important. If you're doing everything right, if you're using serum, if you're using all those exfoliants, any facial treatment, still if you're not using sunscreen, then it's not gonna work, because your skin is gonna get sun damaged every day, which is gonna hinder the entire process of healing. So next I have one DIY face mask, but full disclaimer, it may not work for you because see, DIY ingredients can be kinda tricky. It may not suit your skin, so do a patch test. But this formula has worked really well for me, so I do recommend, but still do a patch test. So for that you need just two things. One is yogurt, second is licorice root powder. You can buy from any good brand pure licorice root powder, then mix this two, and then you apply this on your face for say 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and then you rinse it off, and that's all you need. I do this once or twice in a week whenever I need it, and it works really well for me. And licorice is very good at targeting dark spots. It also can be really soothing, and the yogurt has lactic acid. Also, I find this to be really hydrating and moisturizing. So yeah, this pack works really well for me. But again, please do a patch test, and if you're not comfortable with DIY, then skip it. And the fifth step would be to use a barrier healing moisturizer, because if your skin barrier is healthy and it is functioning well, then your skin is gonna heal faster, because it all starts with healthy skin. If your skin is not healthy, your skin barrier is not functioning well, it is damaged, it is suffering from transepidermal water loss, then somehow this entire process of like fading the dark spots is gonna hinder. So if you have to focus on healthy skin barrier first, and if you're using this chemical exfoliants, then actives, then I think you need some very good barrier supporting moisturizers or cica creams to like take care of your skin barrier, to give all the support that it needs, and that's gonna make the process very smooth and fast. So yeah, that's all I had for this video. I hope you found these tips to be helpful, and let me know what you do when you get dark spots, what helps you, what doesn't. So yeah, I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.